The Prestige Condensing Boiler combines the proven Prestige fire tube heat exchanger with the advanced Trimax Control and contractor-friendly features for unparalleled reliability, efficiency, and ease of use. Triangle Tube is the originator of the residential fire tube heat exchanger that provides reliability, energy efficiency, and low long-term operating costs. The Trimax Control is packed with advanced functionality, while the large graphical display and unique easy setup feature minimizes commissioning time. Multiple boilers are easily joined with the integrated cascade functionality. The Prestige is designed to be contractor-friendly, making installation and maintenance fast and easy. And installation couldn't be easier with the broadest selection of approved venting options, including the widest range of terminations and the widest range of vent materials and sizes. With sizes between 60 and 399 MBH and the unique Excellence Combination Boiler, there is a Prestige boiler to fit every need. We've put our 80 years of experience into making the Prestige the most advanced, reliable, energy-efficient, and user-friendly condensing boiler available. For more information about the Prestige Condensing Boiler, visit www.triangletube.com today.